skewers. What we were learning is skewer. I will share the screen. So what is skewer? Should I repeat it or you already know it?
Sir, we already know it.
You already know it. Okay. So this is a skewer, right? A sort of skewer attacking, or even if this is here, still this is also a skewer. So which piece is ahead, small or big? It doesn't matter. In case of pin, we usually say a smaller piece should be ahead and bigger piece should be back. But in case of skewer, it doesn't matter which piece is ahead. Both these pieces should be in line of attack. That's all. Okay. Now we are going to see some problems. Last time also we saw some problems. So today also we will take some problems which will give you rough idea how to create this skewer or how to take advantage of this skewer. Okay.
Hi, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes. Hello. Okay. So this is your first problem. White to play. And use the skewer. There is one more. Here. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry.
So can I say?
Sir, can I say?
Who is
Sir,
that?
can I say?
Who is that?
Rusham.
1 minute. I will join with one more instrument. It is easier for me also because here I cannot hear you properly. So,
Sir, Rusham.
No.
Sir, you black to play or
it is white to play.
Sir. So can I say?
Yes, yes, yes,
So Sir, can you explain me skewer means?
yes.
One.
Yeah. Now everybody can hear me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. Now who wants to solve? It is white to play. Who said
So
first?
can I say?
Sir, can I say?
Rusham. Rusham. Rusham.
Sir, the D1 rook will go to 4A. Sir, it's a bishop, sir. Bishop.
Bishop will
D1
go to
bishop will go to 4A.
A4. It is not 4A, A4. The move is good. You understood this skewer here, but that means what is happening now? Rook is attacking as well as your bishop is also attacking. So two attacks are there and only one support. So what this will do is that black will come over here and give another support. That's all. So there won't be any harm here. No harm. Even if you kill, this will kill back. If you kill, this will kill back. It is equal. So though your move is means you have recognized it correctly, but the use of the skewer is little difference is there. That is what you have to find out.
Sir, I know this answer.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, sir, silly, knight to d5.
To d5, check. If there is a check, this can come over here. Then
And so move it to move that rook to a6. Sorry, a5.
here, this rook, where
A5.
a5.
Hmm.
a5 is bad. This will kill.
Oh,
So this is not correct. Anybody else?
Sir, can you repeat skewer means?
Sure. Who is that? Who is asking?
Slok.
Shlok. Okay. But a skewer means two pieces of the opponent. They are in one line. So here, rook and knight, they are in one line. Okay, this line you can see. And in this line, if your piece comes and attack, this is called as skewer. So this your piece is attacking this piece also and this piece also. If he moves this piece, still this piece is under attack. If you move this piece also under attack. It is a sort of pin only, but here any piece, here this is a small and this is big. Sometimes it may happen that this is bigger is here and smaller is here. Still this is a skewer. Or skewer could be this way also. एक साइड में ये है और एक साइड में ये है. So still this is a skewer. You understood, beta?
Yes,
sir, I
sir.
know the answer now. I have the answer. Correct answer.
Sayyam, wait, let others speak. Then only I will give you second chance.
Sir, can I say?
It is Ishan. Yes.
Sir,
No, your voice is not coming clear. Knight will go to d5. Okay. Check. Check is there. Acha, d5. Check. This will come over here. Yeah, this will come over here.
the bishop will go to
Bishop will go to
f3.
f3. Okay, so now black will have advantage either to kill this or to kill this. So black will kill this. Simple. Because if white gives check and fork, black kills this. But now he is having two pieces. So this is a little bit not correct.
I can say no.
Just wait. Who is that Sayyam? Wait, let others first. When everybody is exhausted, then only I will give you the chance. See, somebody has shown this is a skewer. Very much correct. This is a, as well as this is also a skewer. Yeah, correct. So two skewers are there. There is a third skewer. This three three skewers are there. Wait, then this skewer is already there, existing. So four skewers are there. Now you have to select which one is better and which one is which work for your advantage. Yes, Shreya, Arav, Arnav. Sidhu,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I want you to try something, beta.
Um, so मुझे ये आंसर नहीं बताओ
नहीं, कोई बात नहीं बेटा.
जिस समय थिंक करो को
Somebody else, come on, Ria.
Sir, can I say?
Yes, now you can say. No, now let Shlok say and then later on Sayyam.
A6 वाला रूक A7 में जाएगा.
A6 वाला रूप A7 में जाएगा. ये मारेगा. Discount. That is bad.
Sir, can I say?
Yes, Ashit.
Sir, पहले D1 वाला बिशप C2 में जाएगा.
D1 वाला बिशप C2 में जाएगा. Attacking this. Okay. फिर किसका चांस है? ब्लैक का चांस है, राइट? सो ब्लैक का चांस है. Black will come over here, giving fork to this. Now what? Now even if you kill this will kill. You have to kill and then this will kill. So you are at loss of one piece. Yeah. Anybody Sayyam now? You can try.
Sir, move C3, knight to C4 and kill the pawn.
C3 knight to
C4.
E4. Kill the pawn. So that means next move for black would be
Yes.
this. Attacking this and now this is also attack. Now here I know that black cannot kill this. If black kills this, this will come over here. But still, this check this over here, check this over here, and this is saved. Check, and this gone. तो ये तो बहुत ही डेंजरस ही है योर मूव. और ये यहाँ पर भी आ गया तो भी ये वापस यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, इसके ऊपर अटैक. बहुत ही डेंजरस है. So not possible. This is not very correct. Yeah, so this was the plan, good plan that was. But वो बीच में क्या होता है, ये चेक आता है ना नीचे तो तकलीफ होती है. Anybody? Or I will tell now. Anybody want to try or should I tell?
सर आप ही बोल दो.
Yes.
सर आप ही बोल दो.
Okay. See here. A very simple, just somebody has shown this skewer. Okay. And how to use of it. If you directly put it over here, what will happen? This will move. That's all. Or even this will move. आपने ये ले लिया तो हम ये ले लेंगे. Equal. Isn't it? So, the best part is now you have to take this. Check. Taking a piece straight away, attacking. Now छोटा piece लिया है, 3 point मिला है और बड़ा piece जाने वाला है. If black plays this, now you can come and give this skewer. This can come over here or come over here. This place, or this place, or this place. Anywhere. Anywhere it comes, you get this. So रुक को रुक तो मिल गया, प्लस एक पीस मिल गया, और अभी ये भी जाने वाला है, ये भी जाने वाला है. You understand? Clear cut white is winning. And
Yes,
if ये जो था पोजीशन, ये पोजीशन में इसने ये नहीं लिया, चेक है, चेक में बाजू में गया, तो ये बोलेगा चलो अच्छा है, मैं अभी ये मारूंगा. अभी इसके ऊपर भी अटैक है, इसके ऊपर भी अटैक है, सब कुछ है. You understand it?
yes, sir.
It was an easy problem basically,
Yes,
but
sir.
but you couldn't think. Now next problem, I really hope that you will think in this way. Okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let's go for it. Yeah, white to play.
Can I say?
Yes, Rusham.
Sir, the G1, sorry sir, the G7 rook will go to G8.
Okay. This goes over here. Then this will come over here. Then what next? Where is Ria? Ria is not seen. She had joined earlier. Ria is there. Arav and Arnav. It is not a mate. It is not a mate. It is just taking advantage of skewer. What we have learned about skewer, how you can take the advantage of skewer and win the situation. So winning the position is very important. Actual mate or actual win will take little later. But if you have one piece extra, one pawn extra, two pawn extra, isn't it a win?
No, sir.
Why not? When I get one pawn extra, I always win with somebody, anybody, in fact, always win. So when you little grow up little, na, you will understand that importance. Having army more than your opponent is a win. If you cannot win in that situation, either that situation is extraordinarily bad, opponent has played extremely well, skillful, or you are not able to maneuver your pieces.
Sir, but what is skewer?
Skewer is attacking two pieces in one line. Simple. Skewer is attacking two pieces in one line. See, I have shown you, na. See, this is here, supposing, and this is here. Okay, this is here. If this comes, this is a skewer. Two pieces attack. You understood that?
Okay, sir.
Or if this is here, still this is a skewer.
Okay.
It is a fork also is a sort of skewer only. But in one line is very important. So skewer can be given by whom? By rook or bishop or queen.
Sir,
Knight
I
cannot
can
give
say the
skewer.
answer. I can say the
Yes,
answer.
yes, Sayam. Yes, Sayam.
Move to C8.
Okay. This over here. This will come over here.
Cousin Kilpalu.
I will not move the pieces over there. You have to
Okay.
imagine.
So kill the rook. No, don't kill the rook. Then the king will kill it.
Good. Good. This is what is very important. You should be able to imagine. Come on, come on, come on. It is easy. This is easy.
Sir, can I say?
Sir, can I
Yes.
say?
Shlok first.
Okay. G1 rook will go G5.
This rook will go to G5. Okay. Okay, that means you are saying this over here. The next move, this
Yes.
will come and give check.
Yes.
You have to come back. Otherwise, it is checkmate. And then this will kill. Then this rook
Yes,
also
sir.
will come back. And then this will kill this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this pawn
Okay,
for
sir.
this pawn, this king can stop both these pawns. And now these three pawns will be free all to come over here. So black will win.
Sir, I can say the answer.
Yes.
Sir, move g8 rook to g7 rook to g8.
Okay. Check. This will move over here.
So move it to g7.
Again. Okay. Again, this will come over here. Then this will move over here.
So kill the rook.
कैसे अभी अभी यहाँ पर है ना ये यहाँ पर गया, ये यहाँ पर आ गया, ये यहाँ पर आ गया, ये यहाँ पर है. अभी कौन सा रुक मारेगा?
अरे सर, I was saying, अरे sir, if move g1 rook to g7.
Okay, this will come.
Now first, okay. First kill the king. Sir, kill the rook.
What kill? कौन सा kill?
Kill the rook.
Which rook?
That rook 7. G7 rook to g8 and kill that rook.
G7. This rook or this rook? Tell me. This is
This
G8 rook.
No, g7 rook.
G7 rook will kill. Correct. That is the answer. That is the answer. Because now see, there is a check. So with this check, either this has to kill or this has to go somewhere. But if it kills, then you get this free. Now you will find that where is the skewer? You may ask that where is the skewer? Now I will explain. Don't worry. See, this is the skewer, clear cut, which you gave. But what happened if this comes over here, then you get this free. So this king comes over here to support. तो ये जो स्कीवर में आपने अटैक किया है पिछले पीस के ऊपर, वो आपको इमीडिएटली नहीं मिल रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस किंग. So what you have to do is that you have another rook, so you can give check. Now this has to come over here, only one place, cannot come over here and here because of pawn. So only place is here, then white gets it free. And if this rook tries to come, then you have to kill this. Simple check. Now where this will go? This kills only. So now this skewer which you used was actually used afterwards. You gave the skewer, then you waited for the opportunity, and then you had the kill. You understood? This is a good solution. Who solved this? Sayyam. Good. Everybody understood this? Arav, Aryan, Ria.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I cannot hear any word from Ria. What is happening? Is she well? Ashit, you understood beta?
Sir, she's here only. Yes.
Yeah, she's here, but I cannot hear her word, na? I cannot see her also. So
Yes, sir.
I wonder na, whether she is understanding or not. She is very clever child in our group. You know already. She solves so many problems.
And today,
Shreya?
I think last Thursday Friday she also didn't came, right?
Yeah. Shreya, do you understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now be careful.
सर आप वीडियो ऑन नहीं कर रहे हैं?
वो मेरा ऑन ही है, वो बीच बीच में बंद होता है. मैं
नहीं
देखो
ओपन ही
मैंने
नहीं है सर. आपका दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. मेरे को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. आपका वीडियो ऑन है लेकिन हम लोग को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
मेरा दो ये है ना, एक है मोबाइल का, तो मोबाइल मैंने टेबल पर रखा है तो आपको सीलिंग दिखेगा, और दूसरा मेरा लैपटॉप का है, तो लैपटॉप का मैं कितना बार चालू किया ना, ये देखो ऐसे आ जाते हैं. मीन्स अभी आपको दिखाई नहीं देता है वो, लेकिन वो कैमरा इज नॉट एबल टू ओपन, नॉट एबल टू ओपन. कभी अचानक धक्का लगेगा ना इसको, वो ओपन हो जाता है. पहले ओपन था स्टार्ट में, लेकिन मैं थोड़ा सा एडजस्टमेंट करने के लिए गया तो वो वापस गया. एक पर्टिकुलर एंगल में ही ओपन होता है. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
let us see now how to solve this. White to play. Tough one. Now see here. This
Okay,
pawn
sir.
is going this way. That means queen will be there. But उसको space नहीं है जाने के लिए. If this moves somewhere, then this will kill. Isn't it?
उसके बाद ये किल करेगा तो फिर वो किंग को किल करेगा ना.
ऐसा है. अरे ये white है और ये भी white है.
हाँ
ठीक है,
सर,
खुद को
व्हाइट नहीं
check,
दिखा मुझे
खुद
तो
को
ब्लैक
check.
था.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. So now how
Which
to
to
solve this
play?
problem? Now white to play and win. Here white to play and win. Win means 100% आपको advantage मिलने वाला है. How? And this is very good example because this will teach you the end game. So end game studies में ये आ जाता है. This is the ideas of end game. One of the idea in the end game.
सर ब्लैक तो प्ले कर सकते हो क्योंकि उससे ज्यादा इजी हो जाएगा.
No, no, मार शाना है तू. The white to play है लेकिन.
उससे इजी हो.
Sir, can I say
Who is that? Can I say?
slow?
Shlok.
जाएगा.
Okay, Shlok. Tell me.
A8 वाला रूक B8 में जाएगा.
A8 वाला रूक B8 में जाएगा. Okay.
सर ने वही प्रॉब्लम दिया था लास्ट टाइम.
नहीं, ये प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी था. ये मारेगा फिर इसको. फिर it is equal. It is draw. Game is draw now. Nobody can win. Yes, Riya. Can you? I want to hear from you. Yes, speak. At least let me hear your voice.
सर आई थिंक उसने ईयरफोन्स नहीं पहना है.
नहीं पहना है उसने. उसको सम आता है सुनने को. उसको कुछ बोलना है तो वो माइक्रोफोन उसका अलग है ना. She's. Are you okay, beta? She's not ill, na? I'm worried. Riya, beta, how are you, beta? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Good girl, beta. Good girl. Now I heard your voice. Now I feel better. Good. Everybody in the group. Good. You are understanding, na, beta? Riya? Riya? Anyway, try to solve this problem. Ashit, expecting from you. Arav, Arnav, Ishan, come on. This is simple. We are doing skewer. Skewer means two pieces in line. और
सर
वही लाइन में अटैक करना है. Yes,
सर
yes, yes, सिद्धू. सिद्धू.
ये ब्लैक रूक जो है.
No, you have to move white rook or white king.
सर ये
Because
व्हाइट
white pawn
व्हाइट
cannot.
D1 में जो किंग है वो
हाँ.
A2 में जाएगा.
वो 8-2 में जाएगा. Okay. So this will come over here then.
नहीं सर A2
A2.
यस सर.
A2 में कैसे जाएगा ये चेक देगा ना बेटा.
एक सेकंड कोई तो आया है सर.
Yes, Ishan, Shreya. Skewer. Come on. skewer means two pieces in line, and here you cannot see two pieces in line, but I can see two pieces in line already. That is what you have to imagine. Your imagination power should increase. You should imagine two pieces. Now, which are these two
हाँ सर
pieces? One